Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Engineering Travel. I'm sorry, it's not another episode. It's a new series which I'm going to start now. Today I'm traveling from my hometown to Mumbai. I'll be traveling to Mangalore via bus, and from there I'll be traveling from Mangalore to Mumbai in Mastyaganda Express. So it's already time now. I have packed everything. Backpack is ready. I don't know what I'm going to do in Mumbai, but it's very surprise trip, guys, and it's going to be adventurous and it's going to be adventurous and very fun because I'll not be staying in Mumbai. I'll be going outside Mumbai, in around area of Mumbai, and I'll be going far away from Mumbai as well. So stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button and ring the bell icon. Trin trin. So I'll see you on the road. So I'll see you on the road, guys. So guys, I'm in the train right now. Mastyaganda Express from Mangalore to Mumbai. I'll be getting down at the Panvel and my uncle will come to pick me. So you can see beautiful landscape before it is dusk. So I'll be shooting everything.
Station, platform 8.